really know what we got going on here. We're up in the yard. Obviously all the snow's melted from this area. It's been leaking for a little while, but it's not leaking real bad. Don't know exactly where the main's at. We don't have a way of measuring it out because all the services on this road up here are out in front of the houses, not off the side. So we're just gonna poke and hope here a little bit.
Deep it'll be.
You want me behind your trailer, or you want me to flip around?
I'll pile it on the ground. We don't know where it's at. I'm gonna end up filling everything with dirt.
I'm going.
So wherever you want to stick it out of the way. That's when
Milwaukee utility knife. Milwaukee utility knife. That's what Cheryl Smith's in the thing for. It's one like Derek has, but it's Milwaukee. And it's bought like a month ago. That's the ticket from that machine.
That's probably the same person that got the charger and all that. Did she ever figure out who got that?
I didn't think it was that high up in there, man. I was just pushing over here.
Yeah, I haven't ever been on anything down here.
I just thought it was inside the river. Well, back there around that one house we had, maybe it leaked out that garage. Somewhere that might work for.
I'm gonna probably have a fairly good sized hole by the time it's all said and done. But I don't know why it would be pushing uphill that way. Yeah, I know. Are you getting water pushing out of any of them spots up there where you stepping or anything?
That's pretty soft.
What about right there? Right there where you just put your foot?
Where are we going now? School. Boat school? Or?
I think it was for power. straighten it up. So, what's it feel like? Metal? So what is that? 5-foot probe? Down there a ways. I had to clear you a bigger spot here. Well, your handle was right at ground level.
Is it?
Yeah, see?
Oh, it is. It's still that much deep.
Yeah.
There, that dirt mob. They're 2.5 foot.
I'll widen it out.
Right in the ditch. Reminds you of a waterfall like that.
Sit behind you of a waterfall.
Yeah.
And that spade is just got a little crick in it. One of the hardest parts, getting that hole punched through the bottom. Pain in the butt. You sit there and beat and beat. It's like, come on, just punch through. Once you get it through, it's gravy after that.
Yeah.
You want this little half?
Got some crusties on it.
Yeah.
I had a 10, but I don't know if it'll cut it. We're really still in half.
Pretty crusty on the bottom, eh?
Let's see if I can just do this.
Hey, how you doing?
Big pile of dirt. I don't think it all fit in the dump truck.
Yeah, it wasn't fat.
Wasn't a fat in there. Too much.
If you stacked some on the roof in the cab, it might have.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we got these parts from A1 Auto. No, I'm just kidding. They're not even a sponsor. This is Midwest Meter.
No, we got that from AutoZone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, O'Reilly.
That's O'Reilly's, not AutoZone.
Yeah. Same.
Here's the
concept.
number. You'll have to flip your monitor over or your TV upside down to read them.
Yeah, but we're on this one, so here you go.
Oh, so we're not even using this one.
No, it's an FS1 72410, 6-inch.
Yeah, forward.
So yeah, it's just a 6 and a 10's all you need to know.
It's got the Gipper gaskets and the St. Louis studs on them. And they only put one in the box. There's the QR code that you can look at their website. That's not a QR code at all. Give me long enough. Yeah, snug it on there a little bit. I'll clean that water out and we'll check it.
I got it on forward.
Whoa, don't do that yet. Yeah, clean that bottom out, see if it's. I think I'm past the crack on my mark, so it should be. But let's just make sure.
Okay. Think you got her? That sucker must have been a tiny, tiny crack, no more than it's putting out.
I believe so.
Hit that one in the middle one more time. It's usually a good practice to go back across them because you tighten the one next to it and it'll loosen the other one until you can get them all to hit pretty quick. Then you're getting the true. You're probably good now. Yeah, you're probably good now. If you hit it one time and then move on to the next, it'll loosen the one next to it a little bit. And when you're getting it pretty consistent along there, then you're good to go. It'll do the same thing with a wheel on a car or a truck.
I don't want to. Yeah, put that in the mud, but I'm gonna look.
Need a towel, wipe it off? Or a super chamois?
ShamWow.
Good.
All right. All right, man. Glad I was able to help.
Well, what do you think?
Yeah, well, I think we found the leak, fixed it, and
Made a mess out of the
put
yard.
it back up, and yeah, can't even tell we were ever here. I
Was
think
the homeowner happy? Was he all right with it?
Well, he came here.
Good talk.
Yeah, I don't know. Man, what do you do? I mean,
Well, I thought that was him.
yeah. I told him we'd
Do our best.
do what we could. So just let us know when it dries up. We'll try to start dressing it up. What else do you do?
Nice.
What
Not
else?
gonna make a big deal about it.
No, we're not gonna make a big deal about it. We got the leak fixed.
Hi. It's fun out in the cold. We don't mind it though.
It's not as cold today as it was yesterday. Oh, helicopter!
No. You guys want to jump up and down and wave to it like you used to as kids?
Well, that's, you know who that is? That's probably our foreman checking on us.
Yeah, oh yeah, bird dogging us.
Yeah,
Didn't
that's
even
how
see
they
that.
that's how they check on us.
Dang it, Marlin.
All right. Hey, we'll see you later.
Yep. Until next time.
Yes.
Stay dry.
It's about 6 months later after we had this break, and I wanted to drive by and show you what the yard ended up looking like. We ended up coming back, I don't know, maybe a month or two. The weather was kind of crappy when we did that. We came back probably a month or two later and straightened all the dirt up and seeded and strawed it, and it turned out pretty good, I think. I just never have really shown some of the messes. We make a lot of messes, but haven't really shown what they look like after the fact. We usually dress them up pretty nice. And everything's all good, so just wanted to ride by that. It's the middle of November, so that one's had pretty much all summer to fill in and all that. It looks pretty good now, so anyway, we'll catch you next time.